Hello everyone, hope you're fine. In my today's this video, I will show you how you can fix the OTG problem in your device Oppo K10. So if in this device Oppo K10 you are having any problem like your OTG is not working or not connecting, you can easily fix it by the way as I will show you in this video. Before we start the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch the video till end and you will learn how you can fix the OTG problem. Let's watch the video.